What the hell? Who woke me up? Are you kidding me? No safety equipment whatsoever. No glasses, no gloves, no earmuffs. It's 8:30 in the morning, and I wake up to that. Titleist was out late last night, and I have to deal with this. So let's try to find some safety crap, so we don't have to take him to the hospital again. Too bad Wolf wasn't here. He can find anything in the shed. I don't know where that crap is. Who needs safety equipment anyways? It's like 30 degrees out right now. Help me. I can't find anything. I think he hit it. Ooh, I'm shaking him cold. No green machine this morning. That got postponed till when? When? Next Saturday, I think. I can't find anything safety-wise. So, it looks like we're going to be taking him to the hospital when he finally gets something lodged into his eyes. Can't find any safety glasses. That sucks. Alright. Do that. Tomatoes. Alright, I'm done. sucks.